Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the healthcare field. It is non-phone medical data entry, and it is part-time. I am trying to mix it up, throw in some full-time jobs for you and some part-time jobs. But we are going to dive all in. Just know the link to the application page, if you want to get that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Juniper Solutions Incorporated. They have a Juniper platform that they're building. They're building online tools for behavioral health doctors, providers, therapists, all kind of behavioral health professionals. They are hiring a data entry specialist for their medical data entry. This is remote, part-time for the United States. Now, they are a startup company. Their mission is to change how behavioral health starts with them and how they operate. They don't want to just change behavioral health. They want to change the way that startups operate for behavioral health in general. Now, they are looking for somebody who is organized and can do efficient data entry to download, clean, and enter data from different sources into their internal database. You'll perform other tasks to support the operations and billing teams as needed. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, just 2 years experience in data entry, somebody who can work with either Microsoft Word, Excel, things like that, or the Google equivalent, Google Docs, Google Sheets. So you've got to be able to work with CSVs, spreadsheets, Word documents, all of those things. You have to have strong working proficiency with different technology systems, and it is optional if you have experience in healthcare. It might get you to the top of the line, but you don't need any experience in healthcare for this position. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay. That will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.